Hello all. In today's session we are going to talk about the very important antenna parameter, that is nothing but the beam area. Now let us understand what is the beam area. So beam area is defined in terms of, you can say this beam area is defined in terms of the solid angle. So to understand solid angle we must understand first what do you mean by the plane angle and what do you mean by the solid angle. So let us understand first what do you mean by plane angle and what do you mean by a solid angle. So first we'll start our discussion with the plane angle, which is nothing but the radian. So let us talk about the radian first. What do you mean by a radian? So radian, and you can say this is denoted by RAD. So radian is defined as the, now if I'm talking about the radian, if I want to define a 1 radian, so I can say 1 radian is defined as the plane angle. So here 1 radian is defined as the plane angle with its vertex at the center of a circle. So at the center of a circle of, I can say, radius r that is subtended by an arc whose length is r. So now let us see what is the meaning of this particular radian over here. So here whenever you are talking about the 1 radian, you can say that this is the circle, whereas if you say that my antenna is the isotropic antenna, radiates equally in the all direction, so I can say this component will be called as the radius. Now suppose this is r, again this is the r, and this arc is having the same length of r. So this angle sustained by this particular r will be called as the 1 radian. So this is nothing but the how we are going to illustrate the plane angle. So radian is nothing but the plane angle, whereas you are having the angle which is sustained by the r. Okay, so here let us talk about the circumference of a circle with the radius r. So if you are talking about the circumference of the circle, how you are going to find out the circumference of this circle? So circumference for this particular will be 2 pi r. So you can say this will be 2 pi into r in the meters. So this is all about the circumference. The circumference can be thought of as a 2 pi number of the sections. Each section is of a length r. So since each r has occupy a plane angle of 1 radian, thus a circle consists 2 pi radians. So I can say here, so I can conclude here, a full circle consists of 2 pi radian. So this is all about the radian, or you can say the plane angle. Now let us talk about the steradian. So as we have talked about the radian, let us understand what do you mean by a steradian. So radian is the plane angle, whereas steradian you can say is nothing but the solid angle. So whenever you are going to define a steradian, it is SR. So 1 steradian, if I am interested in defining the 1 steradian, so 1 steradian is defined as the solid angle. Previously it was a plane angle, now it is a solid angle with its vertex at the center of the sphere of radius r that is subtended by a spherical surface area of r square. So let us understand what this particular statement means. So steradian is nothing but the solid angle, and this is nothing but the, you can say, angle with its vertex at the center of the sphere of radius r that is sustained or subtended by a spherical surface area of R. So it's not a steradian, it will be a steradian. So steradian is nothing but the angle. Now let us understand what do you mean by the definition of this. So this is nothing but the sphere which we are having, which we have seen in the isotrophic antenna radiation. Suppose I have antenna over here, you can say this is nothing but the angle, and this is nothing but the, you can say, radius R, and this angle will be called as the steradian. So this will be the one steradian. So, and this area will be R square. Now let us elaborate this area, whereas I will have this as R and this as R. So area will be R square over here. Now if I again elaborate this particular, say, steradian, I can say that this is nothing but a, now I will draw it here. So it will be like this, it will be like this, and you will have the area like this. So I can say this particular angle, or this particular angle will be, now this is the plane angle which is the 1 radian, and this is nothing but the solid angle which will be called as the 1 steradian. ठीक है. So these are nothing but the R and R. So I can say these are nothing but the arcs, and this again a plane angle, I can say this will be the 1 radian. So now let us see the difference between your, otherwise you can say that let us see the relationship between steradian and a radian. So now this is having a sphere, so we know that how we can calculate the area of the sphere. So if you are interested in calculating the area of sphere, so area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So I can say this will be the 4 pi into r square, which is in the meters, that's why it will become a meter square. Now this area can be thought of a 4 pi number of sections. Each section is of a area r square. Since each r square area occupies a solid angle of 1 steradian, thus a sphere consists of, so how many steradians your each sphere will consist? So here you can say the sphere consists of 4 pi into, you can say the 4 pi r square by r square. ठीक है. So I can say this is nothing but the steradian. So each sphere will consist of 4 pi steradian. Okay, so the full sphere here I can say, if I am interested in the full sphere, I can say the full sphere consists of 4 pi steradian. So here we have seen the radian, here we have seen the steradian. Now let us understand the relation between radian and a steradian. So if I am interested in the relationship between a radian and a steradian, I can say, so relation between radian and steradian Now here I know that my radian is nothing but the plane angle and my steradian is nothing but the solid angle. So I can say that 1 steradian is equal to 1 radian into 1 radian. So it is equal to 1 radian square. So if I further elaborate here, I can say that this is nothing but the 180 by pi square degree square. So we know that 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. I'll write here as a degree. So if you calculate all these things, I can say my 1 steradian is equal to 3282.8064 square degrees. So here my 1 steradian is equal to this much degrees. Now since full sphere consists of a solid angle of a 4 pi steradian, now we have already seen that my one full sphere consists of a 4 pi steradian. So since full sphere consists of a solid angle of 4 pi, I can say steradian, I'll write here 4 pi steradian is equal to 4 pi into 32828064, which we have already calculated for the steradian. So 4 pi steradian, it gives me 4125296, which is nothing but the 41,253 square degrees. So here I can write my 4 pi steradian is equal to 41253 square degrees. Now this symbol indicates that this is the meaning of the square degree. So I can say this symbol is the position of a degree. So I can say this can be said as a square degree. So solid angle in 1 steradian, I can just summarize the things over here. So the solid angle in 1 steradian is equal to 3283 degrees, and solid angle in sphere is equal to 41253 square degrees. So here we have seen the solid angle in 1 steradian and solid angle in the sphere.